How to update iOS to latest version on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you on how you can update your iOS to the latest version on iPhone. So make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to update your iOS to the latest version on iPhone, all you have to do is simply go ahead and then first of all launch the settings application here. Once you launch the settings app, here you will see a different sort of interface where you can simply go to the option called General. Now if you go to the About section, you will see our current iOS version with all the model number and serial number. But since we want to update it, go to Software Update, and if there is any sort of updates available, you'll find those updates here where you can just tap on the Update Now option to go ahead and then enter the passcode, and once done, it will automatically install the updates. This way you can install the updates on iPhone. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.